Let's make this day, December 25, a Merry Christmas to all. So let's all start the proper process. Yun. So, thank you, President Later, for making this.
Today, my talker, I don't know what topics you have. Kumanta kayo ng national anthem. I don't know kung anong anthem tayo.
The God in heaven. He who has an eye but never sleeps, behind the light of night. And we thank you for all the blessings you give. And shine on them of ourselves. For part of our life, leading our strength, courage and wisdom, to face the challenges of our lives. For being the best, help our Lord, and help us to spare them as much good. We ask for your forgiveness and the wisdom to know the Testament. We ask for your sign of success.
Jangan ketahuan.
Jangan,